east for 133 miles.
I'm tired, so I'm going to snack. I just crawled in the back and grabbed, oh, I almost hit a bird, and grabbed a bunch of snack food, and I'm going to eat a little bit while I'm driving. Walnuts and chocolate chips, now cheese. Keeping me awake. Perfect day for sleeping. Soon, very soon, I will pull off, find a place to sleep, and go to bed. I am beat. The eating is helping though. It's keeping me awake and a little bit happier. Carrots. I can't get this open. My second one. My sister gave me this cute little box cutter ace knife. So I'm going to use that. I'm excited. It's the first time I get to use it. It's a nice little gift for my van. Easy. Doesn't it seem like the perfect day to lay in bed, watch movies, order pizza, snack? It's getting very green and beautiful out here in Kansas. I was so worried that it was going to be hot, and it's 50 degrees, and I know it's going to get cold tonight, but I do have my sleeping bag, so I'll be fine. But I made sure I packed the little air conditioner I have and a fan, so I thought it's going to be warm. It's going to be hard to sleep in hot weather, but I think I'll sleep good tonight. Cannot wait to park this car and crawl in the back and relax. Get some rest. Looks like a very muddy road ahead of me, so not sure what I'm going to do here. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Looks like they're doing a little cattle herding. Bunch of cattle right here when I first pulled up. Let's see if this little chapel is open. Another tiny little chapel. Very nice. This is one big ball of twine. cute. So I found a campsite. It's free, and I'm really not sure about it. There's nobody else here camping. That scares me. And it's, you know, a Friday. There's some people fishing, and I just wish there were some other campers here. So it makes me a little nervous. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm gonna stick around or, oh well, I'll figure it out. If I end up leaving, I leave. Well, you know what? I'll do a little search and see if I can find see if I can find a Love's or someplace else if I'm not comfortable here, and I'll leave. But it looks good. There's a lake. It looks very nice. Is that bird warning me to leave? Don't stay here. Um, hmm. I've decided I'm going to leave the area. If it wasn't for the one guy that in a truck stopped, rolled his window down, looked, saw that I was alone, and then stopped down the road, I don't know. That just seemed a little weird to me. So I'm going to find another location. It's too bad because this is beautiful. People fishing. But nobody camping. I found my spot for the night before dark. Very happy about that. Oh, good. My plan is to stay over by where there's other campers, but I'll probably get up early in the morning and find another place to hang out by the lake and maybe go for a walk in the morning. It looks beautiful. I mean, who knows, maybe I'll swim. That would be nice. Oh, here's good. This is good. I can see the campers over there. I think this one looks good. And my back window will be facing the lake. I'm pretty well set up. I think I'm gonna call it a night. I'm exhausted and I'm in my campsite. I just want to get up early in the morning and watch the sunrise and sit by the lake and have breakfast. So I don't even know if I'm gonna eat tonight. I'm so tired. So anyway, I'll see you in the morning. It's been a really good morning. I slept great last night. I'm just going to take it easy, relax, and enjoy my little campsite by the lake. And I think I'm going to go for a walk a little bit later. I had a little struggle this morning. I spilled this powder that I put, it's like a lemon powder that I put for my hot drink in the morning because I don't do caffeine. And I spilled the powder. Then, not long after that, my hot water was ready and I spilled my hot water. Anyway, a mess this morning, but I mean, I can't complain at all. The place I want to go doesn't open until 11, so that's why I'm going to take it easy and just enjoy the view and enjoy some quiet time. I'm going to catch up with some things I need to work on, and it's a Sunday, so I don't have to work out today. I'm going to do some stretches. I think I'm gonna go ahead and head out my next destination. Cleaned up, my van is in really good shape, and I'm getting ready to get on the road. When I pulled into this campground last night, it was getting late and I parked in a place where I felt safest. So I was parked in a spot that had electricity, even though I don't use it and I don't need it, and there's nobody else here. I thought it would be okay for me to park in that spot. And I didn't realize, because I guess I didn't drive around enough to realize that there were other spots closer to the water, which would have been really nice. And those were no electricity, and those were for people like me that it was free camping. And so if it's electricity, then you pay for it, even if you don't plug in, if you take that spot. So the ranger did come over, and we talked about it, and he just, I said, I'm happy to pay. I said, I just got here last night. Anyway, so he said that was fine if I would just move to a different location, and that's why I moved down closer to the water. That's not where I stayed for the night. I stayed farther from the water, but closer to the other campers. So I got in trouble a little bit, but I'm learning as I go, and I had a really good night, and I loved being right by the lake. It was just beautiful, and I didn't get the sunrise. I woke up before the sun, but it was cloudy. it was very cloudy and gray, and there was no beautiful sunrise. So, but that was okay. All right. Okay, I'm gonna dump my garbage actually. This is Lake Wilson in Kansas, Lucas, Kansas. Great, great spot, beautiful. Cement. I think it's all made out of cement. That is the mausoleum right there. And he is inside, and you can look at him. I think it was 90 some years ago he was put in there. So, but he's in there, and his first wife, but you cannot see her. She's in a cement grave. Are you okay? I'm just gonna get you out of the road, okay? Okay. You're safe.